नमो ओम विष्णु पदाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय श्री हरि भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी नित्य नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Nitai Gaur Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Nitai Gaur Hari Bol
Nitai Gaur Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Nitai Gaur Hari Bol
Jayo Jayo Prabhupada Prabhupada Jayo Jayo Prabhupada
Jaya Jaya Prabhupada Prabhupada Jaya Jaya
God Premanande Hari Hari
जो गुरु श्री प्रभुपाद की जय अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय नाम संकीर्तन यज्ञ की जय
हरे कृष्णा। माता जी आप तो एक्सपर्ट होते जा रहे हैं कीर्तन के अंदर, सो नाइस। माता को ट्यून्स भी आ गए अलग अलग तरह के हो करने के लिए।
हरे कृष्णा सर
आज
हरे कृष्णा।
गुरु महाराज को याद किए।
हरे कृष्णा डियर डिवोटीज, सो वेलकम हमारा जो इवनिंग सेशन फॉर भगवद गीता। We'll start our session now. नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी निति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वते देव गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare Krishna. So कल हम लोगों ने we did the famous shloka 2.41. Who would want to recite 2.41 again today? No one? To recite 2.41? Okay. Yes, Ronnie Prabhu, go ahead. Then Ashok Prabhu. So first Ronnie Prabhu, then Ashok Prabhu, then Sudhir Prabhu. Yes. Go ahead.
Hare Krishna Prabhu. Just a minute. व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिरेकेह कुरु नन्दना बहुशाखाः अन्तश्च बुद्धयो अवयस्यिनां सायिनाम्.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Yes, Ashok Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna.
Reading BG 2.41. व्यवसाय आत्मिका बुद्धि एक कुरु नंदन बहुशाखा ही अनंतस्य बुद्धियो व्यवसाय नाम. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhuji. Yes, Sudhir Prabhu.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी.
Hare Krishna.
व्यवसाय आत्मिका बुद्धि एक है कुरु नंदन बहुशाखा है अनंतश्च बुद्धयो व्यवसायी साई नाम.
Yes. Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you so much. So, ये हमने श्लोक कल किया था और इसका ट्रांसलेशन मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. Translation and prepared by His Divine Grace. I read the verse also. व्यवसायत्मिका बुद्धिर एके ही न करुनंदना बहुशाखायनंतश्च बुद्धयो अव्यवसायिनाम. So those who are on the path, those who are on this path are resolute in purpose, and their aim is one. O beloved child of Kurus, the intelligence of those who are irresolute is many branched. Okay, उसके बाद हमने ये पढ़ा था कि कैसे जो व्यवसायित्मिका बुद्धि मतलब कि जैसे जो व्यवसायी लोग हैं, जो बिजनेसमैन हैं, like they are always focused on business side or the business side or the money side. और उसी तरह से जो भगवान के भक्त हैं, they should also have a similar one-pointed focus in the spiritual life. कि हमारी जो spiritual life है, उसमें भी वैसा ही फोकस रहना चाहिए जैसा एक जो व्यवसायी है, जो एक बिजनेसमैन है, वो अपने बिजनेस पे रखता है. तो इसके ऊपर हमने कल थोड़ी सी चर्चा की थी और मंथन किया था और आप सब लोगों ने इतने सारे पॉइंट निकाल के दिए. सो नो रॉनी प्रभु विल जस्ट रिवाइज इट और एक एक करके हम पॉइंट पढ़ते हैं. रॉनी प्रभु, कैन यू डू द स्क्रीन शेयर दैट फाइल?
Prabhu, that points or the PDF?
Points on the PDF. So you can share the PDF na? In screen share.
No, I mean the PDF which I shared with you.
Show it.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah. Okay. Two things. The first, all of us wish Ronnie Prabhu a very happy birthday. Wish you a very happy birthday, Ronnie Prabhu. ये सब लोगों ने सुबह सुबह तो कर दिया था. पर अभी सारे हैं. एक स्क्रीन शेयर स्टॉप करिए एक मिनट. Just stop the screen share. Okay. So thank you so much. और so wish you a very happy birthday. So all of us please chant one loud Hare Krishna Maha Mantra for Ronnie Prabhu and his family. इन सब लोगों ने इतनी सेवा की है और आज चारों के चारों बैठे हैं. प्रभु जी भी दर्शन दे रहे हैं आज हमें. सो थैंक यू. बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आप सबको, आप तीनों को भी रॉनी की प्रभु के बर्थडे की. सो ऑल ऑफ अस will chant one loud Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. You can keep ourselves mute and then we will just chant and pray to Krishna that they all become very good devotees of the Lord. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare Krishna. Yes, thank you. Okay, so, and we have today a new devotee also, a new member among us, Sonia Mason Mataji. So welcome to the group, Sonia Mataji. So
thank you so much.
Thank you, Mataji. So we hope this class will be meaningful for you. So yesterday we all discussed how the Vyavsayatmika Buddhi, what is the meaning. So ये PDF document बनाया है. I think this is made by Ankita Mataji. So thank you, Ankita Mataji. This document is very nice, very nicely presented. और बहुत अच्छा बनाया है आपने. So इसको करिए प्रभु जी, screen share करिए, and we'll see कि how Krishna is saying how a व्यवसायी एक जो businessman है और devotee versus devotee versus businessman. So some points needed little tweaking, but we can read one by one. Ronnie Prabhu, can you see on the system? Just alphabetically take the names, and devotees can read 1 point each, Prabhuji, from both the sides. Aap sabko, Ronnie Prabhu will take the name because I can't see. Okay, I can see. Just 1 second, Ronnie Prabhu, I can see also. Participants. Okay. So मैं आप लोगों का एक-एक करके नाम लेता हूँ और आप सब लोग एक-एक पॉइंट बोल दीजिएगा दोनों तरफ का. जैसे जो पहला पॉइंट है मैं बोल के बताता हूँ. जैसे businessman always think of his business profit, devotee always think of Krishna, like this. तो आपको दोनों पॉइंट पढ़ने हैं. तो okay, first ऊपर से पहले तो हमारे बड़े भाई का ही नाम है. Yes. Ronnie Prabhu, you read.
Hare Krishna. In every business transaction, businessman sees whether he is earning profit or loss. In every activity of life, a devotee sees whether it will bring him closer to Krishna or not.
Very nice. Okay. Next we have Asha Mata ji and Ashok Prabhu. एक-एक करके आप दोनों पढ़ लीजिए अगर आप दोनों हैं तो.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Businessman is looking for new ways to earn more money. Devotee always look for way to increase his devotional service.
Hare Krishna. Reading 4th point. Businessman works with full dedication and seriousness to progress. Devotee lives with full faith in Krishna consciousness to progress. Hare Krishna.
इसको रोनी प्रभु इस पे थोड़ा सा मार्क कर लीजिए कि businessman works with full dedication and seriousness to expand his business, and similarly devotees lives with full faith. Yes, devotee lives with full faith in Krishna consciousness to progress in Krishna consciousness. To progress in Krishna consciousness. Okay, next we have Shivani Mataji. Yes, Shivani.
Businessman is determined to achieve his business goals. Devotee is determined to achieve his spiritual goals.
Very nice. Very nice point. Okay, next we have Arzu Mataji.
Businessman hankers to inculcate more and more wealth. Devotee hankers to inculcate more and more Krishna prem.
इसको रॉनी प्रो इसको भी ठीक कर दीजिएगा. Today, right? Businessman hankers to inculcate is a wrong word for not inculcate. Businessman hankers for more and more wealth, and devotees hanker for more and more seva. ऐसे लिखते हैं. National seva. ठीक है, ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. ये क्या हो रहा है बीच में? I don't know. Anyway, do you think that is okay, Ronnie Prabhu? Businessman hankers to increase his wealth, and devotee hankers to increase not Krishna prem, but to increase
Service.
To increase his service attitude. because that is a good point to inculcate. Okay, next we have Amit Prabhu. Amit Prabhu, can you speak?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay.
Businessman keeps a constant check on the success of his business. Devotee keeps a check on his spiritual progress.
Wow, very nice. मुझे लगता है मेरे को बिजनेस खोलने से पहले सारे पॉइंट्स पढ़ लेने चाहिए थे. Before I got into business, I should have learned all these tricks. Okay, now next we have Anita Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Businessman keeps a constant check on the success of his business. Devotee keeps a check on his spiritual progress.
Very nice. ये आया नहीं था पहले? Okay. Thank you, Mataji. Okay. Next we have Mamta Mataji. Yes, Mamta.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Businessman always wants to earn more profits with minimum investment. Devotee wants to go back to Godhead in a single lifetime by doing bhakti.
Yes, very nice. Thank you, Mataji. उसके बाद है कमल प्रभु.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, धन्यवाद प्रणाम. हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, धन्यवाद प्रणाम.
Yes, Hare Krishna, धन्यवाद प्रणाम.
Businessman is very clear and knows whom to approach for getting more business.
Not clear, clever Prabhuji. Businessman is very clever.
Very clever. Sorry, Prabhu. Very clever and knows whom to approach for getting more business. Devotee is very clever to knows whom to approach for getting spiritual guidance, either guru.
Yes, very nice. Thank you, Prabhuji. Okay, then Meenakshi Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Businessmen work overtime for a growth of business. Devotees spend more time in a Krishna consciousness for spiritual growth.
Very nice. Thank you, Mataji. Then we have इसका sequence change हो जाता है. Okay. Now we have Ankita Mataji, जिन्होंने document बनाया है. Thank you, Ankita Mataji. You made very nice.
Thank you so much. Businessman does not leave business even in times of loss. Devotee does not leave Krishna consciousness at the time of distress.
Very nice. Thank you, Mataji. Okay, then we have Mega Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Businessman loves his business. Devotee loves devotional service.
Wow,
Hare
very
Krishna.
nice. Hare Krishna. Now, next we have Mohit Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Businessmen do parties and meetings. They meet and share idea for further development. Devotee do kirtan and katha. They meet and share idea for further development.
Very good. Thank you, Prabhuji. Then Neha Mataji, Neha Jindal Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Businessman thinks and saves for family. Devotee makes his family Krishna conscious.
Wow, very nice, Mataji. Okay, next we have Neha Kumra Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Businessman doesn't let his rivals flourish. Devotee does not pay attention to any abhakta or non-devotee.
Okay.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Okay, next we have Neeta Mataji. Hare Krishna, Neeta Mataji, can you hear? Okay.
Me, Prabhuji?
Yes, Prabhuji, I can hear.
Yes, Mataji. Please read Mataji. Second
I
one.
don't have. Businessman always has positive attitude and determination. Devotee also have positive attitude and determination.
Ronnie Prabhu, इसको ठीक कर दीजिएगा. You can put that businessman because it can't be absolutely same. So we can say businessman has positive attitude and determination for his business, and devotee has positive attitude and determination for Krishna consciousness. इसको change कर दीजिएगा. Okay, next we have Parmeshwari Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, businessman tries to make business multinational. Krishna consciousness is universal.
ये Ronnie Prabhu, thank you माता जी. Ronnie Prabhu इसको भी change करेगा. कि businessman tries to take business multinational. So similarly, a devotee also tries to take Krishna consciousness all across the world, like that. We can take like this. Okay, next we have Purva Chopra Prabhu. Hare Krishna. Purva Prabhu, can you hear? Okay, maybe Prabhu is busy. Okay, we'll come back to him. Okay, next we have Rachna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Business has teams to achieve goals. Devotee has association of other devotees to achieve goals.
Very nice. Business has businessman hoga business. Oh no, business. Business has not business. We have to convert everything, Ronnie Prabhu, with businessman. So businessman has teams to achieve goals, and devotee has association of other devotees to achieve spiritual goals. So we can write like this, Ronnie Prabhu. Businessman has teams to achieve their material goals, and devotee has association of other devotees to achieve spiritual goals, like this. Thank you, Mataji. Okay, then we have next Ruchi Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Business needs investment to start. Krishna consciousness needs Shraddha, faith.
Yes, very nice. Thank you, Mataji. Okay, next we have Shashi Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Business has do's and don'ts. Krishna consciousness has do's and don'ts.
Yes, both have. Yam and Niyam, they both have. Yes, thank you, Mataji. Okay, now we have Sonia Mataji. Can you read?
Yeah. Business requires continuous investment of money and ideas and resources. Krishna consciousness also requires constant watering of Shravanam and Kirtanam.
Yes, that is hearing and hearing and chanting. Okay, thank you, Mataji. Okay, then we have Sudhir Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Business needs consultants. Krishna consciousness needs mentor and counselor.
Yes. ये काउंसलर के स्पेलिंग ठीक है रॉनी प्रभु चेक कर लीजिएगा थैंक यू सुधीर प्रभु सो एवरीबॉडी इज डन पूर्व प्रभु हैव यू कम बैक सो यू कैन रीड वन ही इज ओनली वन लेफ्ट सो मे बी प्रभु इज बिजी सो आई जस्ट रीड लास्ट टू न्यू बिजनेस नीड्स एनकरेजमेंट व्हेन डिवोटी स्टार्ट्स भक्ति अदर डिवोटीज एनकरेज देम न्यू बिजनेस नीड्स एनकरेज इसका हमने रॉनी प्रभु हमने कुछ और सोचा था इसका न्यू बिजनेस यही था न्यू बिजनेस नीड्स एनकरेजमेंट ओके रीड द नेक्स्ट वन
प्रभु जी ये था कि न्यू बिजनेस नीड्स एनकरेजमेंट फ्रॉम फ्रेंड्स एंड अदर्स
हाँ ये था प्रभु जी कि न्यू बिजनेस गेट्स न्यू बिजनेस ये लिखिए प्रभु जी businessman gets encouragement from near and dear ones or devotees ka likhiye new devotees also gets encouragement from other older devotees theek hai Ronnie Prabhu then last one business grows from word of mouth yes and Krishna consciousness spreads by achar prachar correct the Krishna consciousness it spreads by we can do preaching by our own behavior. That is the best way of preaching. Okay. Thank you, Ronnie Prabhu. You can end it.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare
My
Krishna.
point is not there in the PDF.
What is not there?
My point I mentioned yesterday.
Very good. Which point was that, Mataji?
That businessman always thinks about customer satisfaction and a devotee always thinks about Krishna satisfaction.
Wow, very nice. ये point कैसे miss कर दिया रॉनी हमने? This is very nice point. businessman looks for customer satisfaction, and devotee look for satisfaction of Vaishnavas and Krishna. For other devotees. Thank you. और भी अगर किसी का कोई पॉइंट मिस हो गया हो तो प्लीज बता दीजिए।
इसको प्रभु जी इसको ग्रुप पे पोस्ट करवा दें।
हाँ, अब ये थोड़ी सी इसकी वो धुलाई छंटाई होनी इसलिए नहीं डाला था ग्रुप के ऊपर। तो जैसे अभी हमने पढ़ा, हम सब लोगों ने, इन्होंने दिन में भेजा था पर मैं पढ़ नहीं पाया था, तो अब जो हमने एडिटिंग की है ना प्रभु जी, वो करके फिर डाल देंगे। डालने के लिए बनाया प्रभु जी।
सो प्रभु जी, एक मेरा भी पॉइंट था।
ठीक है,
हरे कृष्ण। हरे कृष्णा।
यस मैम।
ये प्रभु की जो बिजनेसमैन है वो कम इन्वेस्टमेंट और ज्यादा प्रॉफिट उसको वो उसमें रहता है माइंड, और डिवोटीज जो उनसे हैं अपना स्मॉल एफर्ट्स में बड़ा अचीव करते हैं।
ये स्मॉल एफर्ट नहीं है माता जी, पर हमने वो पॉइंट है ही नहीं। ये पॉइंट डला हुआ है माता जी। हरे कृष्णा। सो ये पॉइंट परमेश्वर माता जी, ये डला हुआ है। ये पॉइंट डला हुआ है माता जी। उसमें हमने लिखा है कि स्मॉल एफर्ट बिग, और डिवोटी में हमने ये लिखा है कि द डिवोटी वांट्स टू डू एंड फिनिश एवरीथिंग इन दिस लाइफ टाइम ओनली, लाइक दिस। पर ये जो माता जी कह रही है रोनी प्रभु, शी इज सेइंग फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट एंगल कि वहाँ छोटा करके बड़ा करना चाहता है, कम एफर्ट करके ज्यादा मुनाफा करना चाहता है। और इसको हम इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं कि जो डिवोटी है, they don't go through the longer route of कर्म योगा, ज्ञान योगा, अष्टांग योगा, they take the shortest path possible। ये ठीक है माता जी?
यस प्रभु, यस यस एग्जैक्टली।
थैंक यू माता जी। तो ये दोनों पॉइंट्स रानी प्रभु ऐड कर दीजिए। ये हाथ खड़ा किया है, यस अशोक प्रभु।
सॉरी प्रभु जी, पहले वाला
हाथ है,
बट एक एडिशनल पॉइंट है प्रभु जी, कैन आई शेयर?
बताइए
प्रभु जी। जैसे वी सी कि द एवरी बिजनेस इज टेम्परेरी और अनसर्टेन एंड इट मे वैनिश ओवर ए पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, whereas a devotee's investment in devotional service is eternal and continues life after life।
हाँ, पर ये डिफरेंस हो गया प्रभु जी। वी आर लुकिंग एट सिमिलैरिटी।
ओके, सॉरी,
है ना, ये तो डिफरेंस हो गया, ये डिफरेंस है। वी आर लुकिंग एट सिमिलैरिटीज।
गॉट इट।
ठीक है। सो थैंक यू सो मच। तो ये हमने ये डॉक्यूमेंट बना के एक बार ठीक करके, और ये डॉक्यूमेंट आपके साथ शेयर कर लेंगे तीनों ग्रुप्स के अंदर, इसीलिए डॉक्यूमेंट बनाया था। सो अभी आगे बढ़ते हैं हम। 2.41 हमने okay, so now I'll quickly read and then I will bring you to a transcription of a lecture given by Prabhupada on 2.41. So that is see another application of 2.41. आप देखेंगे कि जो भगवद गीता के जो श्लोक हैं, they can be used and seen from multiple angles। अलग अलग दृष्टिकोण से इन सारे श्लोकों को देख सकते हैं। और इस व्यवसायित्मिका बुद्धि की जो ये श्लोक है, इसको अब और किस ढंग से हम कर सकते हैं, वो हम that we will see how Prabhupada uses this verse। So I will quickly read the purport. A strong faith that by Krishna consciousness one will be elevated to the highest perfection of life is called Vyavasayitmika intelligence। The Chaitanya Charitamrita states, Shraddha Shabde Vishwasa Kahe Sudrida Nishchay Krishna Bhakti Kaila Sarva Karma Krita Hai। Faith means unflinching trust in something sublime. When one is engaged in the duties of Krishna consciousness, he need not act in relationship to the material world with obligation to family, traditions, humanity, or nationality. Fruitive activities are the engagements of one's reactions from past good or bad deeds. When one is awake in Krishna consciousness, he need no longer endeavor for good results in his activities. When one is situated in Krishna consciousness, all activities are on the absolute plane, for they are no longer subject to dualities like good or bad. The highest perfection of Krishna consciousness is renunciation of material conception of life. ये भी हमने कल डिस्कस किया था. Material conception of life. Who remembers कि what was the material conception of life? Arzu Mataji, do you remember what we discussed yesterday? What is the material conception of life?
Having family relations, friends.
How can that be material conception? That is a detail, not the principle. Okay, yes, Shashi Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, it's a thought process that when we see that I am a body, not a soul, when we think
Yes.
like that, it's a material conception of that.
That is the material conception. जो हमने कल बात की थी कि अहम ममेति, that we identify everybody from ourselves as a body and those who are connected with this body. That is a material conception of life. That we are unable to see spirit soul. This state is automatically achieved by progressive Krishna consciousness. जिसे हम पढ़ते हैं कि जो भक्ति है उसके दो पुत्र हैं, ज्ञान और वैराग्य. तो जब हम भक्ति योग करते हैं, कृष्णा कॉन्शियस प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, so they automatically come. The devotees don't have to make a separate endeavor for them. To read further, the resolute purpose of a person in Krishna consciousness is based on knowledge. Vasudeva Sarvamiti Sa Mahatma Sudurlabha. A person in Krishna consciousness is the rare good soul who knows perfectly that Vasudeva or Krishna is the root of all manifested causes. As by watering the root of a tree, one automatically distributes the water to the leaves and branches. So by acting in Krishna consciousness, one can render the highest service to everyone, namely self, family, society, country, humanity, etc. If Krishna is satisfied by one's actions, then everyone will be satisfied. तो इसलिए जो devotees हैं, जो भगवान के भक्त हैं, they always try to satisfy Krishna or their guru or the Vaishnavas, because then Krishna is automatically satisfied by तो ये जो it is true, whatever is true for Krishna is also true in most of the cases, true for spiritual master and also true for devotees also. So if devotees are satisfied or if the spiritual master is satisfied, then everyone will be satisfied. Service in Krishna consciousness is, however, best practice under the able guidance of a spiritual master who is a bona fide representative of Krishna. I think we touched this part also yesterday. One should not be whimsical, or agar hame bhakti mein aage badhna hai, we want to become we want to be serious in Krishna consciousness, then one must always be under the guidance of a spiritual master or a counselor or a senior devotee, with whom that person take guidance, what to do at what step, like that. Then one can make very nice progress in Krishna consciousness. I'll read again. Service in Krishna consciousness is, however, best practice under the able guidance of a spiritual master who is a bona fide representative of Krishna, who knows the nature of the student and who can guide him to act in Krishna consciousness. Because knowing our nature, जो गुरु हैं, अध्यात्मिक गुरु हैं या senior Vaishnavas हैं, they see our nature, what is our nature, and then that nature they use it in the service of Lord. As such, to be well versed in Krishna consciousness, one has to act firmly and obey the representative of Krishna. And one should accept the instructions of the bona fide spiritual master as one's mission in life. तो ये जो line है, ये जब Srila Prabhupada ने, he read it from Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur's purport to this particular verse, जो बड़े महान आचार्य रहे हैं हमारे वैष्णव संप्रदाय में, गौड़ीय वैष्णव संप्रदाय में, विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती ठाकुर. तो जब उन्होंने उनकी लाइन पढ़ी, उसमें ये था कि one should accept the instruction of a bona fide spiritual master as one's mission in life. So तब तक जो प्रभुपाद हैं, he was preparing to go abroad and he was saying I'm preparing. But after reading this line, in that commentary, जो उनकी commentary थी, then he decided this is my mission. No more preparation. I have to go now, like that, because I have less time. I must go. So then he started making his plans to go abroad and follow the instructions of his spiritual master, who told him to spread Krishna Bhakti in the Western countries. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur instructs us in his famous prayer for the spiritual master. अब वो उन्हीं को कोट कर रहे हैं कि जो हम संसार दावा मंगल आरती में करते हैं, तो उसके अंदर ये लास्ट पैराग्राफ आता है, यस्य प्रसादा भगवत प्रसादो यस्य अप्रसादान न गति कुतोपि ध्यायान स्तुवं तस्य यशस्ति संध्यम वंदे गुरु श्री चरणारविंदम. इसका ट्रांसलेशन, by the satisfaction of spiritual master, the supreme personality of Godhead becomes satisfied. And by not satisfying the spiritual master, there is no chance of being promoted to the plane of Krishna consciousness. I should therefore meditate and pray for his mercy 3 times a day and offer my respectful obeisances unto him, my spiritual master. तो हमने और दूसरा भी जो हम पढ़ते हैं श्वेताश्वतर उपनिषद से, वर्ष आज मैं बहुत पढ़ता हूँ इस वर्ष को, कि यस्य देवे पराभक्तिर यथा देवे तथा गुरौ तस्य त्रिकथिता अर्था प्रकाशन्ते महात्मना. That those, that the import of all scriptures is revealed into one who has unflinching faith both in the Supreme Lord and the spiritual master. Because we say again and again, these are revealed scriptures. They are revealed in the heart. We cannot approach जो हमारे शास्त्र हैं, उनको हम अपनी जो भौतिक जो बुद्धि है या भौतिक हमारी जो मन है, उनसे हम भौतिक बुद्धि से हम अप्रोच नहीं कर सकते. So we make progress by getting mercy of our spiritual master. आगे लिखते हैं प्रभुपाद, the whole process, however, depends upon perfect knowledge of the soul beyond the conception of the body, not theoretically but practically. जैसे अभी हम लोगों को, like at least I can speak for myself, that I have theoretical knowledge. Okay, I am a soul, I am not the body, but I don't have practical, I don't have a realization. So, but to make further progress, one should have a realization, Atma Sakshatkar. How? And then meaning that I know I am the soul, and I also see others are also souls, and I do act with them in proper manner. Pandita Samdarshina. So ऐसा नहीं है कि इसका मतलब ये है कि आप जो है हम एक शेर के पिंजरे में घुस जाएं कि ये भी एक प्राणी है और एक like this. But we know they are also spirit souls in different bodies. So whether it's a plant or an insect or a animal or a security guard or a director of a company, whosoever it is, we know they are all spirit souls, just bound in different bodies because of different karmas. So one has that understanding. Not theoretically, but practically, when there is no longer a chance for sense gratification manifested in fruitive activity. उसका result क्या होगा? That one will not be into sense gratification. हम इंद्रिय तृप्ति की तरफ नहीं भागेंगे, क्योंकि that इंद्रिय तृप्ति or sense gratification has nothing to do with the body. It has everything to do with the body, nothing to do with the soul. One who is not firmly fixed in mind is diverted by various type of fruitive acts. Because जो बुद्धि है, it is not fixed firmly. So then it is diverted into many things, many areas. So when our mind goes here and there, then what do we know? Our mind is not firmly fixed in Krishna consciousness. So now I will read some translations, a transcription of where Prabhupada used this verse in his lectures. So I will share with you. So I'm doing screen sharing. Ronnie Prabhu, can you allow me to do screen share? Thank you. Okay. Here we go. We see how Acharya is using now this verse in from different angles. So during a room conversation in Tokyo in 1974, Srila Prabhupada referred to this verse. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission is Prithvi te ache yat nagradigram. As many towns and villages as there are, you must preach this cult. One who is doing this is really a devotee. He may not be a very successful preacher. That doesn't matter. Because he's doing this, he's first class devotee. That is a real follower. देखिए ये दोबारा से मैं पढ़ता हूँ. देखिए कितना सुंदर है ये लिखा है. क्या कह रहे हैं? He may not be a very successful preacher. That doesn't matter. Because he is doing this, he is a first class devotee. So जब हम भगवान के नाम का प्रचार करते हैं और अगर हम ठीक से नहीं भी कर पाते हैं तो भी कोई बात नहीं है. Because it is our attitude, it is our effort which counts, not the result. इसका उदाहरण क्या है? Who will give some example from the Shastra that our effort counts, not so much the end result. End result may not be great, but the effort counts. Yes, Neha Mataji.
प्रभु जी वो गिलहरी का एग्जाम्पल, जब राम सेतु बना रहे थे तो हनुमान जी उनके ऊपर हंस रहे थे तो रामचंद्र जी ने बोला कि गिलहरी का एफर्ट इज इक्वल टू द मंकीज एफर्ट.
Okay. Or any other example anybody can give from Shastra?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.
Ladies first. पहले मीनाक्षी माता जी को बोलने दीजिए. Yes, ma'am.
Hare Krishna. प्रभु जी जटायु का एग्जाम्पल जिसमें he just tried to save the Devi Sita but just still not able to successful, but this efforts counts. That he's
ये जटायु का एग्जाम्पल है. थैंक यू मीनाक्षी माता जी. ये जटायु का एग्जाम्पल है. इसको हमेशा याद रखिए क्योंकि जटायु materially he was unsuccessful, but spiritually he is successful. भगवान राम ने स्वयं उनकी जो है अंतिम संस्कार किया और रामायण के जो मेन कैरेक्टर्स हैं he is remembered as main character. Though he failed, but he employed whatever strength he had to save Mother Sita. Thank you, Mataji. Yes, Ashok Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Prabhuji, can we take the example of that South Indian Brahman when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sees that Brahman, he is trying to read Bhagavad Gita?
No.
Oh.
There is not. Okay. Yes, Shivani Mataji.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, कैन वी टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ गोपीज जब वो कृष्णा की नजर उतारने के लिए विष्णु की आराधना करते हैं, दैट प्लीज प्रोटेक्ट अवर कृष्णा. Okay.
Who else has raised hand? Okay.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Purva Mataji.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी.
हरे कृष्ण.
प्रभु जी, एक हनुमान जी की एक और कथा सुनी है जिसमें उनको राम जी ने चुटकी बजाने की सेवा दी थी.
Okay. But Mataji, we are saying कि somebody is not, वो जो चुटकी बजाने वाली सेवा का अलग प्रसंग है. हम यहाँ पर ये बात कर रहे हैं कि जहाँ पर कि he may not be successful, but it is considered first class service, like that. वो तो उसमें बहुत, he was very successful in that because he came closest to Lord Ram, है ना? सबसे पास आके वो खड़े हो गए, तो like this. हाँ, और सोच भी सकते हैं, पर it was not that he was unsuccessful. वो तो he got a cleverly very wonderful service.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Sorry Prabhuji, can we take example of Yashoda Mataji when she tries to bind in Damodar River?
No. That example is, because you see what we are saying, he's saying you may not be a successful preacher, it doesn't matter. Because he's doing this, he's a first class devotee. So we are saying that किसी ने कोई सेवा की, apparently वो ठीक से नहीं हुई, but जो result है वो result didn't matter, but जो attitude है that mattered.
Prabhuji, can we also try, consider example of Ramanujacharya's assistant when he was called by a king to come and meet him, but the assistant says, no, you don't go, there is some conspiracy, let me go, and then he loses his eyes also there, just to protect his...
No. Oh. Not relevant. Yes, Kamal Prabhu.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी हम शबरी का एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं कि शबरी ने जब भगवान को बेर खिलाए थे प्रभु जी, तो उसकी जो सर्विसेज थी वो मतलब जो बेर खिला रही थी वो इतना वो नहीं थी, क्वालिटिव नहीं थी, बट उसकी इंटेंशन इतनी गुड थी. कैन वी टेक दिस एग्जांपल?
यस एंड नो बोथ, बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं है, क्योंकि उन्होंने जो बेर खिलाया भगवान को वो बड़े उनकी जो भावना थी वो एक्सप्रेस है प्रभु जी. जो रामायण पढ़ते हैं, जब शबरी का भाव पढ़ते हैं, हम समझ जाते हैं कि उनका भाव इज a very pure भाव like this. So we don't see it's not first class service. Okay. But still from one angle you can say कि कोई पढ़ेगा कि हाँ झूठा खिला दिया, but वो भाव आता नहीं है. जब हम रामायण पढ़ते हैं वो भाव आता नहीं है, क्योंकि she is glorified. है ना?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yes, Ankita Mata ji.
Prabhuji, I'm not sure how that incident happened, but there was this incident in Mahabharat where Draupadi एक grain of rice खिलाती है कृष्ण को and he gets satisfied.
Yes, माता जी, वो जो अक्षय पात्र का जब
अक्षय पात्र
है ना, हाँ, but उसमें वो माता जी it is also not, मतलब हम उस एंगल से नहीं देख रहे हैं, हम इस एंगल से देख रहे हैं कि किसी ने कोई सेवा की और apparently that सेवा doesn't look like good सेवा और और एक कंप्लीट सेवा. जैसे जो जटायु का एग्जांपल है वो बहुत अच्छा है, क्योंकि he apparently lost to Ravan और वो मदर सीता को बचा भी नहीं पाए, है ना, but तब भी he got such high. Another example you can think of, but anyway that is also not very. जैसे पुतना का एग्जांपल हम करते हैं कि how she did little service, that she approached Krishna with the mood of a mother, and Krishna gave her the position of a dhatri, made mother in a spiritual world. But even that example won't fit here, because I'm just giving an example. So the example which fits perfect is the Jatayu example, because apparently service is not done properly, but or also that squirrel ka jo example diya, that is also applicable. कि apparently वो इतना बड़ा पुल बन रहा है, वो गिलहरी कितना छोटा सा स्टोन उठा के ला सकती है, and the monkeys make fun, but Lord Ram says both services equal.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Prabhuji, can we give example of Vidur, like when he invited Lord Krishna to his home, and the Lord rejected Duryodhana's proposal, and by mistake, no, the wife gave, no, okay.
Please. Duryodhana ka bhog na payo, Vidur gar sukhi shaag khayo, aso prem pujari, Radhe sham sham sham. No, Mataji, because that is done in a very loving manner, Mataji. The same example of Shabri, because it is done in a manner of love.
Okay,
it is not a wrong service. You understand? Mm-hmm. That was just a pastime of being, such a wonderful devotee that she gave banana peels, and Lord eat all the banana peels like that.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Okay, thank you, Mataji. So, आगे चलते हैं. So that is the real. So you can see.
Prabhuji.
Yes, Mataji.
Prabhuji, I don't know if it's applicable, but I have an example. जब Sudama द्वारका आते हैं कृष्णा से मिलने, he brings some rice and हाँ जी, but कृष्णा feels कि उनके पास जो कुछ भी था उन्होंने वो सब कुछ दे दिया, मतलब मांग के भी लाए थे वो राइस, उनके पास वो grains राइस भी नहीं थे, और कृष्णा said कि I can't pay him back because उनके पास तो जो कुछ था उन्होंने मुझे दे दिया, but मेरे पास तो मतलब I think
this will fit, Mataji. Thank you so much. This example will fit because he apparently bought something material because he had nothing, और वो सिर्फ देने के लिए कि मैं अपने दोस्त के पास जा रहा हूँ, कुछ तो लेके जाऊँ, और वो भी अपनी तरफ से नहीं लेकर आया, वो भी उनको जो अपने पड़ोसी हैं गांव वाले हैं उनसे मांग के लेके गए एंड apparently it is nothing. और उनको जो मदर रुक्मणी है बोलती भी हैं जो खाते हैं कि बहुत पुराने हैं और कच्चे हैं, आपका पेट खराब हो जाएगा, but he lovingly eats and you know yes Mataji, that will fit. It's not a wrong service, but yes, the mood is similar, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji. So we'll read now. Because he is doing this, he is a first-class devotee, that is a real follower. What his predecessor has ordered must be done at any risk. It doesn't matter whether it is being done nicely or not. Because he's attempting to do this, it is sufficient. That very attempt will make him successful. That is why I said that example of Jatayu is so apt, for this. Though he's talking about preaching. प्रचार की बात कर रहे हैं प्रभुपाद. This is the principle, Vyavasayitmika Buddhi. Unfortunately, you do not read. For what are we publishing so many books? Vyavasayitmika Buddhi Ekah Gurunandana Bahu Shakhai Anantascha Buddhayo Avyavasayinam. Our only resolution was that my Guru Maharaj wanted this, let me try. And with that resolute with resolute purpose, I tried it. And therefore, I do not know, but people say I have done something very wonderful. Even our countrymen, those who are not very favorably disposed, admit that I have done something wonderful. What is the secret of this success? The resolution that my Guru Maharaj wanted this. I shall try my best to do this. That's all. I have no other secret. ये बात गांठ बांध लीजिए, जिसे बोलते हैं हिंदी में. What is the resolution? कि my Guru Maharaj wanted this. I shall try my best to do this. That's all. If our spiritual master, our acharya, we know their mood and mission, and if you understand, and if you simply try to do it, then it doesn't matter we are the monkey or the squirrel or the jatayu, whatever may be, that is sufficient. Rather, I was doubtful. Prabhupada bata rahe hain. What have I got? How will people understand? Still, let me try my best. That's all. So ये एक जो है एप्लीकेशन दे रहे हैं इस श्लोक की. अब एक और सुनते हैं. In a 1976 letter addressed to my dear sons and daughters in Bombay, Srila Prabhupada referred to this verse. If you feel at all indebted to me, then you should preach vigorously like me. That is a proper way to repay me. Of course, no one can repay the debt of the spiritual master, but the spiritual master is very pleased by such an attitude of the disciple. So how to impress, how a spiritual master can be pleased? By the attitude of the disciple. ये हमने पहले भी पढ़ा है कैसे उपदेशामृत में लिखा है कि the progress of a devotee depends upon his attitude. और यहाँ भी प्रभुपाद जी लिख रहे हैं कि spiritual master is very pleased by such an attitude of you, because the result is in the hand of Krishna. In the Bhagavad Gita, it is said, Vyavasayitmika Buddhir Ekah Kurunandana. Those who are on the path, who are on this path, are resolute in purpose, and their aim is one. Our only business is to be fixed up in devotional service by pleasing the spiritual master. So, एक है Vyavasayitmika Buddhir, कि क्या ले रहे हैं? कि one is fixed in devotional service in pleasing the spiritual master. Those who are not fixed up, have various lines of action. Eka means one, and Bahu means many. The real ocean of mercy is Krishna, and it is the duty of the spiritual master to tell his disciple to come to this ocean and be happy. I am trying my best, and if you try to follow, surely you will benefit. एक और पढ़ते हैं. While lecturing on Narada's instructions to Srila Vyasdev in the first canto of Srimad Bhagavatam in New Vrindavan in 1969, Srila Prabhupada referred to this verse. Narad says, if you do not 100% right about Krishna consciousness, then it will be faulty. I admit that you have mentioned something about Krishna's activity in other literatures like Mahabharata and some of the Puranas, but that will not do. That will not provide a very steady understanding of Krishna. Vatahatat noreva. It will be just like a boat on the ocean tossed by a strong wind. So you must prepare some literature by which one shall become steadily convinced about Krishna consciousness. Here, Sridhar Swami is giving a quotation from Bhagavad Gita, where Krishna says, Vyavasayika buddhi, those who are convinced about making sure progress in life are called Nishchayatmika buddhi. That is the determination. Drid vrata, they have only one business. Vyavasayika buddhir ekaha kuru nandana. Bahu shakha yanantascha bahu Bauddhayo avyavasayina. Those who are not steady have many businesses. Why many? If that one is the source of everything, one should take that one. So Prabhupada is just asking that why one should take many. If that is the one source of everything, one should take that one. So I thought it would be nice to hear from Prabhupada how he uses these words. So it's already 8:24. So I will ask a question because we have 5 minutes. So इसमें जो last line है जो हमने पढ़ी, इसके अंदर जो मैंने आपको पढ़ाया, मैं आपको पढ़ के सुनाता हूँ. Those who are not steady have many businesses. Why many? If that one is a source of everything, one should take that one. मुझे बताइए, हमने कहाँ पढ़ा था main purport के अंदर यही. हमने main purport के अंदर पढ़ा था something like this, जहाँ पर प्रभुपाद ने एक श्लोक भी कोट किया था कि why so many, take one. You can go and see the purport. आपको याद करके नहीं बोलना है, आप उसमें से देख के बोल सकते हैं कि जहाँ प्रभुपाद बोलते हैं कि sorry.
प्रभु जी.
Yes, ma'am.
कृष्णा भक्ति कैले सर्व कर्म करता है.
Okay. Yes, this is also. No, it is correct, Mataji. But I am looking. This is correct. This is all right. But I'm looking where we read how his buddhi becomes resolute, how the resolute purpose of a person in Krishna consciousness, it becomes one. He is the one. You know what verse he quotes?
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji, can we read the third para? Maybe the resolute purpose of a person in Krishna consciousness is based on the knowledge. Vasudeva Sarvam Iti Saham.
Yes, this is the one. Yes. Yes, Shivani Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, I was taking where it is written that if we water the root of the tree, one automatically distribute water to the leaves and the branches.
Yes, ma'am. ये तो जो श्लोक है वो क्या है? ये था श्लोक जो हम पढ़ रहे थे कि इसके अंदर हमने मैं स्क्रीनशॉट दिखाता हूँ. ये हमने पढ़ा था यहाँ पर. The resolute purpose of a person in Krishna consciousness is based on the knowledge. And what is the knowledge? How the resoluteness comes? Vasudeva Sarvamiti Sa Mahatma Sudurlabha. Bhunam Janmanamante. So why wait for birth after birth? Why wait? इसमें भी जो हमने पहले पढ़ा, जो last time पढ़ी उस lecture की भी is same. That why? Once you find out, okay, he's the one, he's Bhagavan, he's the source of everything, he is the Adi, then why have some doubt and be resolute and finish your material business in this lifetime? You know, why wait? Because we don't know what is in store for us in the next lifetime. So it is true for the neophyte devotees and also true for those who are not so neophytes and who are old now, 4 or 5 years old, to have one-pointed, determination for their spiritual master, for their own personal spiritual growth. That one should be very resolute. और उसके हमने कितने सारे एग्जाम्पल आप लोगों ने बनाए. मेरे ख्याल से वो 25-30 एग्जाम्पल हो कि how व्यवसायी बुद्धि और so, but it is easier to make and think of these, comparisons. But what is not so easy is the application. For that, we have to practice it every day. As we practice, then gradually we start learning. We have to practice means we have to apply in our life. So we'll end the class now. Anybody has any question or comment? Otherwise, we'll end the session now. Okay, so no questions, so we'll end. Namo Vishnu Padaya, Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale, Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine, Namaste Saraswate Deva Gauravani Pracharine, Vishesha Shunyavadi Pashat Deshata, Jagat Guru Shri Prabhupada. Ronnie, one thing, devotees, I want to discuss here there, that I got a call from a Jain. They want, they are looking at devotees, jo where everybody is chanting. Now on the online japa kar rahe hain sab log. So they are asking if the devotees from Gurgaon want to do the chanting part, that we can take turn by turn and chant. So aap log, you can tell to Ronnie Prabhu and maybe Meenakshi Mata ji and Parmeshwari Mata ji, आप देख सकते हैं तीनों ये and coordinate. वो कल का कह रहे थे तो मैंने उनको बोला कि आप Saturday का रख दीजिए हमारा, Saturday को प्रभु जी लोग छुट्टी होती है, so we can do it. Is Saturday more beneficial, convenient or Sunday?
Saturday प्रभु.
ठीक है, तो Saturday के लिए ट्राई कर लीजिएगा, मुझे मैसेज कर दीजिएगा और मुझे बता दीजिएगा. Then I will tell the प्रभु जी there that we'll take the seva on Saturday to chant from Maharaj. Early morning will start. Everybody can take turns, and they will bring them in the focus of the speaker like that. So everyone is chanting, and we can chant from morning to evening like this.
Okay, Prabhu.
Okay?
Yes, Prabhu.
Thank you so very much. Hare Krishna. Vancha kalpatrubhescha kripa sindhubhaya vacha patitanam pavnebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.